Designed for more than just basic transportation, your Subaru Legacy is safe, reliable, versatile, and designed to take you anywhere you want to go. Genuine Subaru accessories help you fill your days with discovery during a daily commute or on a weekend adventure. Include genuine Subaru accessories in your monthly payment plan. It's a convenient option and an ideal way to reduce your upfront expenses. Talk to your sales consultant for more details. Let's take a look at just a few of the many genuine Subaru accessories now available for your Legacy. No matter where your travels take you, your Subaru is reliable, even on the rough roads. Here are a few genuine Subaru protection and security accessories that will help keep your vehicle and your passengers safe and secure. Enhance nighttime driving safety with the auto-dimming exterior mirror with approach light. Upon approaching the vehicle or unlocking the doors with the keyless entry system, LED lights in each exterior mirror illuminate the ground next to and towards the rear of the vehicle. Plus, the side view mirrors will dim in unison with the auto-dimming interior mirror to reduce headlight glare. Door scuff protectors help keep shoe scuffs and scrapes off the inside of your doors. All-weather floor liners help protect the interior carpet from spills, sand, mud, dirt, and moisture. And front seat covers help keep your front seats clean and tidy. Custom fitted with full coverage design, they also help protect the seat backs and seat back pocket from wear and tear. Color matched and designed to complement the styling of your Legacy, body side moldings protect your doors from dents. And door edge guards help protect your door edges from dings and chips. Splash guards help protect the vehicle paint finish from stones and road grime. The guards undergo a series of durability tests to withstand weather and driving conditions. When a little extra room is needed, lower your seats to carry your larger belongings and protect the seat backs from damage with the rear seat back protector. Use this accessory with the cargo tray for optimal protection. As you sit comfortably in control, keep all your gear in place and elevate the enjoyment of every ride. Secure your items to keep them from rolling around with the cargo net. Add the trunk cargo hook to help hold your shopping bags upright during transport. Protect the trunk area from dirt, stains, and other messes with the cargo tray. The surface of the tray also helps keep your gear from sliding around while driving. Start your Legacy with the remote engine starter and adjust your vehicle's interior temperature before entering to begin all your travels in comfort. This hands-free accessory securely holds your mobile phone and can be tilted in a variety of angles. It also includes a tray to conveniently hold small personal belongings. The popular upgraded mirror accessory offers multiple functions. It darkens automatically to protect your eyes from headlight glare. It can be programmed to operate select home functions, and it also features an 8-point digital compass. With genuine Subaru audio and media accessories, you'll be entertained and engaged on every ride. Elevate your audio experience with the CD player and the tweeter kit. Stay connected and conveniently charge your mobile phone with the wireless charger. And the set of 4 USB charging cables packaged in a Subaru-branded storage case are an option for you and your passengers to quickly charge mobile devices while on the road. They're designed in signature Subaru blue and offer superior quality and durability compared to typical aftermarket cables. As you and your pets travel together and discover new places, keep your furry family safe and comfortable with genuine Subaru pet-friendly accessories. Let's take a look at a few from this collection. Help keep the interior of your Legacy protected from nail scratches, pet hair, muddy paws, and infamous dog drool with the pet-friendly padded seat protector. Seat cover rear. Pet rear door protector. And console lid protector. Increase the backseat resting area for your dog to stretch out comfortably during long trips. The organizer and rear seat extender helps keep your pet calm and comfortable by filling the gap between the front and rear seat, and also provides an organized compartment to store pet gear. or other personal items. Buckle up your dog in the crash-tested Center for Pet Safety certified pet harness, designed to help prevent injury in case of a vehicle collision. Or secure your canine or feline in the pet carrier and mobile pet bed. It's ideal for both travel and everyday transport. Don't forget the Pet Travel Bowl, so you can bring along your pet's food and water wherever the road takes you and your furry friend. Your Subaru legacy is anything but ordinary. With genuine Subaru-style accessories, you'll set yourself apart from the rest wherever your travels take you. Add a little attitude to the exterior with the addition of the trunk spoiler. Transform every journey into an illuminating experience with the LED upgrade for more flattering, bright white visor lighting. And add a gentle white glow to the front floor area with the footwell illumination kit. You live a full life. Carry all the gear you need as your legacy takes you everywhere you want to go. Increase your cargo carrying capacity with rooftop accessories, including the Thule Cargo Carrier, Cargo Carrier Extended, and heavy-duty roof cargo basket to pack all your personal belongings. Carry your kayak, your paddleboard, or bring along your skis or snowboards. Transport your bike with a roof-mounted bike carrier or fork-mounted bike carrier. Expand your outdoor living space while providing shelter from the sun and rain. The Thule awning accessory can be used in conjunction with other genuine Subaru rooftop accessories. Thanks for traveling with us to see just a few of the genuine Subaru accessories that will help you love your legacy even more. Be sure to talk to your sales consultant to learn about the full line of genuine Subaru accessories now available. Every genuine Subaru accessory is backed by the balance of the vehicle's 3-year or 36,000-mile limited warranty, even if the accessory is installed after retail delivery. Genuine Subaru accessories installed after the 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty period are backed by a 1-year unlimited mileage warranty. Genuine Subaru lifestyle accessories by Thule have a limited lifetime warranty for the original purchaser. See your warranty and maintenance booklet for more details.